get through. Just get through. Just get through. Just get through. Heavy head with the light feet, 'cause when you're moving differently, you don't compete. All the gods are dead, so why should we kneel? Just tell me what our idols ever did for me with caring. Just for clout, don't you feel a bit commodified and froze out? Performative concerns, the concern now. Just something to be seen talking about, no doubt. But I keep holding my pace through impossible days. The void keeps calling my name. It's the only way. Get through. Just get through. Just get through. Just get It's a miracle that it's here I stand, but honestly I'm over all the affectation, man. Cynical, yeah, I guess I am. I think I'd like to stay this way though if I can.